Hello there, UK here, and thank you for joining me again. This time I'm going to show you some of my harvested potatoes. I do it on a table. I take the potatoes out on the table because I have trouble due to the lungs, the asthma, the lung problems, and etc. And get very breathless otherwise. So it might be a little bit difficult for you to see what I'm doing, but I'll try my best. As you can see, I've cut down all of the green foliage that was at the top of this. Cut it down last week actually, and I've just left it for a week to, before harvesting it, partly because I've been away this weekend. So these are now what I've been, the stalks, the stems of the potato plants that I've been pulling out. So I've already done one plant today, emptied one of the recycling bags today, and from that I got those potatoes, which are about £1.50, something like that of potatoes, £2. So this is the next one that I'm doing, and haven't got any out yet. Thought I'd wait and do it on video so you could see. All of the seed potatoes I used in these bags were only 50p each. They had very long tendrils on them, sprouts, and as you know, as I kept saying rather annoyingly for you and me, that I was waiting to see what they harvest, but wasn't expecting very much. Anyway, so as you can see, I have already from another one harvested quite a few, so I'm quite pleased with that. I'm just in the process of pulling these stalks out and stems, whatever they be. And on some of them there are little potatoes, and on some of them like that. Gosh, that's good. See, that makes me happy. You can't, 50p for the experience of pulling homegrown potatoes can't be bad, can it? So they're all of one plant. And as you can see, I could probably have left them longer because there's more little tiny potatoes that would have grown. Partly it's because I'm impatient though. And partly it's just because I want the space in the garden. And all of them had, all of the leaves and everything had, the haulm, I believe it's called, had gone over anyway. It had flopped all over and it was not looking good. Right. Ooh. Like, do you know when you were a kid? Oh gosh, look. Do you know when you were a kid and sorry, this is my thrilled expression. Ooh. Do you know when you're a kid and you do the wow, look at that. I done chuffed. A lucky dip, like at a fair or a fete or something. It feels like that. It's either in sawdust or bran or ripped up newspaper usually, but this is potatoes, a potato dip. Yes, look at that. That's good. They all seem to have this scab on them. I think it's scab anyway. I was reading last night on the internet some articles. And look, very good. Anyway, I don't know anything about it really, but what I was reading was saying that, yay, why did they split like that? Obviously, there's a reason. It can be caused by not using good compost. It can be caused by not watering enough, watering too much, blah blah blah. So I've read lots of conflicting articles. Wow, how impressive is that so far? That's at least, do you think that's at least as much again as I've got there from the other bag? Let's empty some of this. Slowly sort of do this in case I miss any more potatoes. And then this spent compost, I'll put some beans in, and then the beans, peas, etc., dwarf beans, will fix the nitrogen. Since all of it's being used up by the potatoes, I think that's it. What do you think? It just doesn't seem to be giving us anything else. Teeny tiny potato. Alright for a very small person. If I just put that scoop there, okay. We have another one. I've got to try and do this quickly because today is my son's birthday and he's gone to town with his sister and to spend some birthday money he's had. And to make a lasagna, which is his, I think, favourite meal that I make. Not that and pizza, but we had pizza the other day, so today's lasagna. So I don't want to take too long doing this. I'll be back soon. Okay, it doesn't. See, just as you're about to say that, Deborah, there. Okay, that's another one. That's good. Some teenies, little teeny tinies. There. And you have to remember to have a bit of patience with me when I'm doing this because so they haven't all got that scab thing. So that hasn't got any, has it? That looks okay. Because this is only my mobile phone that I'm using, of course, to record this. So yes, the qualities leaves a lot to be desired, as do my techniques as a video recorder. Believe it or not, in my professional capacity, I used to be a photographer. Oh, look. How exciting is that something's eating that one, a caterpillar or slug. Wow. Oh, now I'm very pleased. I'm a very low maintenance kind of woman, aren't I? This makes me happy. Don't care. It does. Some women like expensive jewellery. I like finding potatoes. A good yield of potatoes from a 50p bargain sack of seed potatoes. Some people might think that's a bit sad. I suppose once there was a period in my life when I might have thought that was a bit sad as well. Not anymore. I'm just having a general dig at the bottom to see what... Oh yeah, look! Gosh. I think I should be giving some of these away. I'm just trying to have a quick fertile at the bottom just to see if there's any more. I don't want to bore you all rigid. But there are more to be picked at the bottom. And this is, I think, about to run out shortly. So I'll just try very quickly to have a look. Oh yay, more. You come across these hard lumps and think they're potatoes, but they're just big lumps of composites or the actual seed potatoes perhaps that I planted originally. Which has got to be, I don't know what, a couple of kilograms of potatoes, particularly with those ones that harvested earlier. I'll write underneath the video how much I eventually harvest, because this is about to run out, sadly. So I'll write the amount. Okay, so thank you once again for joining me, and I hope you've enjoyed watching the video with me. Thanks very much. Bye.